In this video, I'm going to show you how to clear system data on Mac. So in case you're trying to delete your system data inside Mac OS, here's how you can do it easily. Now, first things first, I have to tell you that you don't need to worry because there are just some temporary cache files and you won't delete anything important inside the system data, okay? So those are some files created from your different programs you're using, and if you delete that, you will just speed up your entire computer and then they will get created yet again, except there will be much smaller size because you've deleted all of those who were compiling and adding onto each other upon months and months when you were using the app. So the way to do this is to first open up your Finder in your Mac, and then inside the Finder, press Command plus Shift plus G on your keyboard. Now you will then see this screen. It looks something like this, and then you just have to delete whatever it says in there, okay? So whatever it says, just delete it, press backspace, delete whatever, it will delete. Then you want to hold down your Shift key plus the tilde button, and you get this button over here. It's exactly below the escape key, so at the very top left of your keyboard you have the ESC key, the escape key, and below it you have the tilde button, okay? So hold down Shift and tilde, and then you will have to type that in. You will have to type in tilde/library, okay? Should say something like this over here, as you can see, and then over here, you will need to go inside your library. So just press library, and then it will open up the library folder where you have to locate caches. Just click on caches, and then this will open up yet another folder. In there will be a bunch of different things, a bunch of different maps and folders in which there will be different program cache, okay? And just go through each and every single folder, and once you click on a folder, for example, let's say you have Chrome, Adobe, Photoshop, something like this, simply click the folder, press Command and I on your keyboard, and this will open up a pop-up window where you'll be able to see how much space that folder is using. If it's using a lot of space, simply delete that folder, or of course more folders if you wish to do so, and then once you've done this, you'll be able to right click on the trash icon. So right click on trash icon and press empty trash. This will completely delete all those cached files. Now when you go and open up the program again, it will of course open up normally as it was. All your project will still be saved, except your computer will work a bit faster and it will not be as crowded and as stuffed with different cached files as it was earlier. So I hope this video helped you out, and if it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.